plant one tree for every pet picture Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this trend on Instagram. So let me go out of this page. First of all, you want to go to the search icon from the bottom of the page. And then from here you can either go to this account right here, which is the original one, or you can go to my account, Ali Injun YTT. And from here you have to go to story trends at highlights. You have to go to story trend at highlights because the story will expire in just a few hours. So go to story trends at highlights, and from here you just have to click until you find the desired sticker. So it's at the very end. So there we have it, and click here you have to click on add yours button. And also if you have problems with clicking on your add yours button, we also have a video that says what you have to do if you cannot click on the add yours button. So from here you have to go to uploads at the left bottom corner and choose a photo with a pet picture. I will choose a random picture with my pet. So I will go with this picture right here. And from here you can make your picture smaller or bigger, or you can make your sticker smaller or bigger, and you can place it where you want. And then you have to click on send to, and then choose your story and click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.